This video is about the inspection of the axial flow fan due to abnormal trip condition. Remove the head. Check the impeller blade. One impeller blade is missing and one is loose. Derusting the bolt head. Open the electrical cover. Mark on the electrical wire connection before removing. Loosen and remove the wire connection. Loosen the bolts and nut. Remove the supply fan motor complete. Check the rotation. One impeller blade is missing and the other one is loose. So our number one option for emergency repair, cut another one blade to make it balance. And the number two option is drill for locking wire and drill for bolt and nut stopper. And let's go for the second option. Then remove the cover, then drill for locking wire. Insert the stainless wire and tighten. Loosen and remove down the motor from the base. Insert the detached impeller blade. Mount and tighten the motor base. Drill for bolt and nut stopper. Drill for locking wire. Insert the stainless wire and tighten properly. Drill for bolt and nut stopper. Tighten the bolt and nut stopper. Drill for bolt and nut stopper. Tighten the bolt and nut stopper.
Walang ikot talaga. Wala silang dalaw.
Up. Very good. And check the rotation of the impeller blade. Mount the screw and tighten properly. Mount the cover. Tighten the screw of the cover. Mount the motor housing complete. Fix the bolts and nuts. Mount the electrical wire connection. Tighten the bolts and nuts.
Start.
Carry out starting test of the axial flow fan motor after the repair works has completed to make sure that there is no other problem of the motor. Check for any vibration or abnormal sounds during running tests. After the running test and the supply fan motor is back to normal operation, then mount the head. Tighten the bolts and nuts. Mount the electrical connection cover. Operate the handwheel to open position. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching.